Alright guys, here's a little bit of a follow-up to my question. Right now, all I have is my running lights on. No brake, no reverse, nothing. When I put the probe here for my multimeter on the running lights, I show good power. There's a reverse light, turn signal, and brake light. There's nothing on any of them except for my running light, and we're good there. Now, I'm gonna go turn my blinker on and turn my running lights off. Alright, here's my running lights. Basically nothing. Here's my blinker. Just bouncing around all over the place, which is good, which means power's coming to it. Obviously nothing on the reverse circuit, nothing on the brake circuit. So far we're good. But here's where my problem comes in. Let me go turn the blinker off and the brake's on. Blinker's off. The only thing on right now is the brakes, which is right here. Perfect. Everything is good. Nothing on the running light. Nothing on the reverse circuit. When I go to my turn signal circuit, I'm getting full power, just as though my turn signal's on. There's nothing. There's brake circuit. There's nothing. Here's turn signal circuit. I'm at a loss. Any help would be greatly appreciated.